Yeah.
So after that, I started working in Vodafone customer care. And due to timing problem, there was shifts. During night shift, I had problem to go there. And that was the reason I left that job. And after that, I started working in a small firm that was Mark Hines ad company. And I started working as an accountant there. I worked there for nearly 1 year, and after that I got an opportunity to work a medical company as a medical representative, and it was Swiss-based company named Molecule India Private Limited. So I worked there as a brand development executive for 1 year, and I was given some territories, and every month I had to complete the target. So there was huge pressures and some recessions that time. So I was frustrated because of the huge pressure. And one day I decided that I will not fulfill other people's tasks. I will create my own destiny. I will chase it. I will chase it for myself. I will complete my own target, not others' target. So I left that job, and after leaving that job, I was totally in depression, you can say. So last 1 year, I couldn't decide from where I should start. So it was very tough time for me, because those days during this recession, it was very hard to get another job. And I started working in a diagnosis center. It was named Airway Care Clinic. And I started working there as a technician to collect blood samples and, testings. So I started doing different kind of jobs. And after that, I left that job, and then I started working for a Plexco company, and it deals in water pipes. So actually, company was situated in Bihar, and I had to take the territory of West Bengal, and I had to take the orders from West Bengal and supply all this to there. So I worked there in Plexco, and after that, when I left that job, then I joined an aluminum fabrication company, and it was named Alviprex. So I worked there as as an administrative, because I had so many experience in different sectors, and the owner of that Alviprex company was a young guy. He was only 26, 27. And his vision and goal were very clear. So he asked me to join his own company, and I started working there. And I was working there very fine. It was everything okay. But suddenly I got an opportunity to come to Goa. One of my friends, he was working here, so he asked me to visit Goa. Then I asked him to please get me a job, then only I would go there. So he found out a job for me. It was small, not salary was not so handsome. Mm. Even though I took that opportunity working as a storekeeper, and since then I'm still working here. But working in all those sectors, it maybe look small sectors, but from there I learned so many, things that management people don't know. Because I feel that because while working in every sector, I learned from there something. I read so many books, and I got management experience and knowledge from there. And all these things help me in my life. And I don't earn much money, but I have huge experience and knowledge while working in every sector. And this is my satisfaction. And I feel that if I had studied in MBA also, then it wouldn't be possible to earn that much knowledge. So these are my experience, because every sector is different from others. From teaching to working as a security guard, then working as a supervisor, then working as a cashier cum manager, then working as a Vodafone customer care, working as a receptionist, working as a bookseller, and liquor seller, working as a working in diagnostic center, testing blood samples, and also selling medicines as a medical representative, and working as an administrative in Plexco, Albuprex, working as an accountant in Mars Finance. So you can imagine that each one is different from one another. So this is the experience, knowledge, but I cannot show anybody because I don't have any degree, don't have any certificate. I have only a simple graduation certificate, and it doesn't look impressive because it was just a passing mark. So this is my experience, my job experience I shared with you.
Right. It is good experience.
Mm-hmm.
And I think in every area you have worked.
Yeah.
That is good. So, yeah, do you think that degrees still it matters, or without degrees if someone has talent and all,
Yeah.
they can do without degrees as well? Do you believe in this or not?
Yeah. But actually, the main important thing, you must have degree. Because when you have degree, then you get opportunity. Degree is, a proof in our society. Degree is a proof for you that shows your, ability, your quality.
Right.
Especially in India. But when we talk about the Western countries, they don't see degrees. They just want to know how much failure you have faced in your life, and how you recover it, how you get success, how you face your failure, and how you move back, stand back. So these are important.
Yeah, it is good. Even I believe that
Mhm.
degrees are important, really. You are correct. If you want something very fast,
Hmm.
so you should have.
Yeah.
Because you need one platform where you may perform something. First you need platform, then you may perform.
Mhm.
Uh, if you have talent, you can perform, but you wouldn't get, platform.
Mhm.
So that is empty task.
Mhm.
So it is required. But
Yeah.
again, I would say that
Mhm.
talent and all, if you have or if you polish that,
Mhm.
so definitely it will pay you.
Yeah.
Somehow, somewhere, definitely it would help.
Yeah. Because getting a good job or getting handsome salary is not sufficient. Your experience will help you to survive in any situation, any environment, and that I learned.
All right.
Mhm.
Actually,
We must know that the uh, ability of a tortoise. It is said that in the forest, the tortoise is the only animal who can survive for many years because he has the ability to survive in the water, in the mud, on dry places. Even it can protect from predators, and it can survive by only eating soil. So
it is.
yeah, so it is important you don't depend on only one skill. You learn other skills too. So if sometime some problem arise in your life, then you can shift easily. And that was my confidence whenever I got another opportunity. So I was so confident that I easily grabbed that opportunity because it is impossible. Suppose you are doing a diagnosis work, you are working in a diagnosis center, and suddenly you got a job of accountant. So both are different, but it is your ability, your skill to learn quickly. So these are things really very important.
Really. So you have very good experience.
Mhm.
So I think you are getting advantages as well. Like you have, whenever you get any topic you speak, I think because of this only.
Yeah, yeah, because of the experience, real experience that if you have bookish knowledge, then one day you will forget everything. But it is real experience, so I will not be forget. I will not forget.
I will not. Yeah.
And this is why now at this time I walk on the street, and while walking on the street I talk to you. I don't have any kind of notes and books, nothing.
All right.
Mhm.
That's it. By the experience, this knowledge can be gathered on lunch.
And
That's good.
and one thing is that if I speak in Hindi, I will be far better than English. But it is people's perception that if you speak English, that means you are well educated. Yeah, that's why I have to learn this language. I have to command on that language. This is the only reason.
All right. So I think now you have any other alternative plans for English? Do you have any plan as you are improving skills? Also, you have good soft skills. You have good information and you are working on that.
Yeah.
And you are improving English as well.
Yeah.
So do
Actually,
you have?
yeah, definitely. I have a plan, and my actually plan is to share the experience and knowledge which I gained uh, regarding work, what we say work ethics. Because in India, so many organizations, they are not, in progress. Somewhere, some problems arise. Uh, you know, sometimes most of the companies, they are shut down, they are locked out, and there is dispute between management and staff. So we should understand what is the problem and what is the work ethic and uh, what is the um, basic requirements for any organization. And that's why some bigger company, those who hire people, they train them. But it is not possible for each and every organization, they will hire you and train you. Very few, those who are big organizations like Tata and other companies, Reliance, Tata, they provide trainings to their employees because they knew that if their employee are smart and well trained, then they will be productive. But it is not for every organization. There are so many organizations, small, medium scale organizations. They cannot provide training, and sometimes they feel that providing training is a waste of money.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but
It is reality.
yeah. So we need to understand. That what we learn from school and college, that is not required in the organization. When you start working on organization, there some other things are required, and these things only taught in management. But it is not possible for each and every student to complete or get education from management, get enrolled in management schools because their charges are very high. So to make it easier, I think that I should, whatever I learn in my life, I should tell everyone.
All right. That's great.
Mhm.
So you are doing, but yeah, work hard and I think we should plan something.
Yeah,
Whatever you are doing, it's okay. So simultaneously, you may also work here as well.
yeah.
So, like you are going to open one consultancy, like where you may give information. Is it that?
Yeah, consultancy, not like consultancy. It is, I will provide some training programs whenever you join any organization. Then how you prepare yourself.
All right.
It is also important.
Yeah, it is. That's good. Sure. We will discuss more things.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, what is your plan? Like, when are you going to execute this?
Hello.
Yes. When are you going to execute it?
Let's see. Actually, the concept is clear, and just I'm not getting any opportunity because I plan to join any small club, like a Rotary club and any other club where I can introduce myself and deliver my speech on these topics. So if people are interested, then they can join and attend the lecture. But suddenly this COVID-19 started last year, and everything stopped because people cannot gather in a place. Nowadays it is prohibited. But now another way is to do it by online, taking online program, doing online program. And for this, I am a little bit weak. I have to learn something, how to do all this online. And there is some network problem in my room, so it is also sometimes create problems. But soon
Alright.
we will start.
Sure. Best of luck. Definitely you will get success as you have good information and on the other hand, passion also. So definitely it would work. You may, like as you have uploaded many videos on TikTok or YouTube, so you may learn that how can I advertise those videos as well. Like, write down some keywords, like interesting keywords so people if they search, they can get.
Yeah, you are right. I should learn some advertisement because without advertisement and marketing, nothing can happen. So there are only 44 subscribers, not more.
Yeah. So you may learn that how can we.
And it is initial state. Actually, I started shooting videos to as an experiment, how I look when I speak and how I create my content for a specific time. So it was just an experiment, and I think it is good. I had gained good experience.
Right.
How to make your content very small and precise and to the point, and make it interesting. So I started, shooting videos on small topics, and these topics are, interesting, fun, like.
Alright. So let's discuss tomorrow that how can we advertise our videos.
Okay.
How can we get more views? How can we get more subscribers? So let's take this topic and by this you will also research, so you will also get to know that how can I get more views and how can we advertise our videos.
Okay, that's fine.
Let's discuss tomorrow. I will add some my points and you also research.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, Rajiv, you are feeling good. Really, you have one sentence, so you may remove it as actually it is coming again and again. Rest of things are just, you know. This sentence.
Okay.
Don't use this sentence again and again.
Okay.
Alright?
So instead of what we can say we know or not. Not
really don't need to. It is not necessary like that. As we all know that. So sometimes as we all know it's alright, but sometimes it is coming unnecessarily. It means that it happens, directly we are using, but it is not required. Like when maybe it is happening because maybe it takes time to remind that thing or remembering whenever you it takes time, so automatically these sentences come out. Yeah. Like this. So fillers are not there that much, but yeah, sentence you may replace it.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
So at what time would you sleep?
Sorry?
At what time would you sleep?
My sleeping time is 10:30.
Alright. So enjoy. Good night. Sleep.
Yeah.
Sleep. Good sleep.
And you have any tips for me? Just send it on my WhatsApp.
Sorry?
If you have any tips for me for improving my English.
Actually, you're not audible. Like again, same problem.
Okay. Okay. See you. Bye tomorrow.